How to use the transfer case in your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. Most Wranglers and Gladiators have a 4-position transfer case. If you have a 2021 or newer with the optional auto system, this will add a 4-wheel drive auto setting for a total of 5 positions. And one thing to note is 4-wheel drive should not be used on dry paved surfaces. To quickly cover what each mode does, 2H or 2-wheel drive high. This should be used for everyday driving on paved surfaces or when maximum traction is not needed. 4H or 4-wheel drive high. This should be used when additional traction is needed on surfaces with less than ideal grip. This could be snow, sand, mud, or gravel, for example. This powers all 4 wheels and can be driven at normal operating speeds if needed. N or neutral. This disconnects the drive shafts from the transmission and allows the vehicle to roll even while the transmission is in park. 4L or 4-wheel drive low. This should be used when maximum traction and low gearing is needed on sources in less than ideal grip. This powers all 4 wheels but should not be driven at speeds above 24 miles an hour. This is typically used at very low speeds for crawling or pulling. To shift from 2 high to 4-wheel drive high, this can be done while moving or while stationary. Simply pull the transfer case straight down in one firm motion. If you are moving, the transfer case might complete the shift quicker if you let up on the accelerator pedal immediately after the shift. The dash will illuminate the 4 high logo. To shift from 4 high to neutral, put the transmission in neutral and pull the lever to the right and down into N. The gauge cluster will warn you that the vehicle can move even if the transmission is parked within this setting. To shift the vehicle into 4 low, shift the transmission into neutral and pull the transfer case firmly into 4L. The system will turn off traction and stability control and the vehicle speed will be limited. Return the transmission into drive and you're good to go. This can also be done while rolling at speeds of 2 to 3 miles an hour while the transmission is neutral. To return to 2 high from neutral or 4 low, put the transmission into neutral and return the transfer case lever into the 2 high position. Don't worry, this might require quite a bit of force, but once this is complete, you can shift the vehicle back into drive and be on your way. So hopefully this helps you in using the transfer case in your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. If you'd like to learn how to use the locking differentials or sway bar disconnects, I will have dedicated videos for each of those topics. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed watching, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments on this process, leave those all in the comment section below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you are new, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the content that is currently available. So with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.